break, fuck it, we back at it with part 2, brought to you in part by the laughs and the tears and all the places that we passed through. It's been a hell of a ride the past few, and there's no end in sight. We about to let you inside. Shit, I'm not even trying to think about the finish line. Believe it's no game, but it ain't no race. We had to do it all with our own pace. Lessons learned, bridges burned, and forks in the road face. And I'd be lying if I said there wasn't times I was flying blind, line by line, trying to shine this little light of mine. We put the foundations down with no blueprint. I wrote my first song just to see if I could do it. Used to keep it top secret, leaked it and released it. Barely had our feet wet, got thrown in the deep end until all of a sudden I'm in front of like 300 something people at the Annandale, screaming and jumping, and I can't believe it. Such a rush, what a feeling. It make me wanna raise up and touch the ceiling. Turntables in the mic and we ready to rock. Yeah, we put it down when we all up in the spotlight. Camera action, we ready to go. Horror show on the set, we just letting you know it's live. Setbacks and traps and on the job site. Let the wicked don't rest, so we on the grind. So it's the motto that we follow. Whatever life throws at us, it don't matter. The show must go on. The show must go on. The show must go on. Yo, it must go on. The show must go on.